change that to YouTube NCS. Maybe start in the middle somewhere over here. Maybe here. Welcome guys, welcome, welcome. Go take the link to the chat. Control A, Control C, close the chat. Docs, custom browser docs. Paste the link because the link always changes. What a dumb fucking thing from YouTube to do. Change top chat to live chat. Cringe. And then go to YouTube and copy the link into the chat. Here. There we go. Give myself a plus. Boom. Where's my soup? I switched to YouTube. I want soup too. I'm gonna have to make it first. It's only going to be a short session today. I have so many other things I want to do. Won't be able to get much done today. But okay, we have the hot code reloading. Hey, Tagebox off and Azen. Yeah, man. Guys, it's gonna be a short stream. Prepare for a short intermission. But we still want to get some stuff done, right? It's better to get some stuff done than to get nothing done. So I want to clean up my hot code reloading from yesterday. It works. It's scuffed, but it works. So for example, the dono and the all of that stuff, that's a bit weird. First of all, I want to rename the dono to, I guess, render data. And then in the GL renderer, up here, we don't have a dono pointer, but we have render data. A render data pointer, and we need to make sure that that is set. In the context. And yeah, I think I solved it decently well. It's a little bit off. But I think it kind of works. I don't know what Cakez meant yesterday with the game should allocate memory for the game state and should allocate memory for render data. Because I literally don't have an allocation function in the game. So I think the game should just get the game state or something. So we'll put the render interface here at the top. I think that should still work.
Attention.
And then we need to make sure that dono doesn't exist, but it also needs in render data. And I need to change the those functions. So because I want to have it so that the game state initializes itself using just the game initializes itself just using the game state. And then when we update the game, we need render data and input. We need those two pointers of memory.
Attention. Building completed.
So that is render data, and I think real context of render data is render data, and the geo context will never lose that. Memory shared by the game and the platform.
Attention.
Right, and then we remove all the dono with render data. Which is quite a few
Building
ports.
completed.
But I think I don't think this type of
Attention. Building completed.
this structure is bad. I think this is good structure. Maybe this has problems that I can't see
Attention.
right
Building
now.
completed.
But so far, I really like it. So the init game no longer takes in a donor pointer and no longer takes in an input pointer, because that is in here. Update game now takes in input pointer and a render data pointer and a float.
Attention.
And then over here we
completed.
have to... And then this malloc is trash, of course. We wanna set a transient buffer. Allocate input later. Okay, so we need a transient buffer and we need a... What is the difference between transient and the other one? Transient is vorübergehend, right? What is the other word that is used? Well, let's see. Transient... Persistent, right? Persistent buffer. No GTS, weird dude. Oh, I forgot to add that in. Hey, TCAP. I'm cleaning up what I did yesterday. You think we can get the... Well, TCAP is... You think we... Oh, also, I don't have a chat overlay going. Completely forgot. Good. I'm cleaning up and I'm making it so that, let me see, transient buffer size. Let's go into config. Let's say we have transient buffer size and persistent buffer size. 20 megabyte. Or maybe I should just allocate them on the stack for now. They can become large. Allocate input later. You seem so normal on your streams. No, that's fine. Lol W. TCAP, do you know how much work it is to set up the debug symbols? I'm pretty sure we need to have like some sort of macro with time, but how do we load in the correct debug symbols? Persistent bytes used. User should be used here. So persistent bytes used is less than that, blah blah blah. Buffer is we need a persistent buffer. persistent buffer. I should really PDM some shit. PDB some shit. Yeah, but how does it know to pick that PDB over the one that is currently using? How does it know that? Oh, I see Dev Spudges is wearing a... what country that is? Is that a country that he's supporting soccer-wise? Or is he not even interested in soccer? It just knows forehead. It just knows. So I only say that's a PDB some shit. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. Weird. Persistent buffer plus equals persistent bytes used. Memset buffer 0 persistent bytes used plus equals that. Return buffer exhausted. Persistent storage. Excuse me.
Attention.
Persistent
Building
buffer.
completed.
Persistent buffer.
Attention.
Don't
Building
know.
completed.
Yeah. Then we allocate input and don't know, which is render data pointer. Render data is platform allocate persistent. Takes in the size of render data. And we do the same thing for input. Whoopsie. Input is platform allocate persistent size of input. And then this can go away. Goodbye. Allocate memory. And we also do that with the GameState pointer. GameState is platform allocate persistent size of GameState. We get that. And then I guess we do some Cakez asserts. So we check if input return -1. And we allocate memory. Yeah, we can see what we are allocating here. Cakez, fatal, fail to allocate memory for input. Forgot to close the thing. And then we do that for every single one of those. So that is render data. And that is the game state. And then we don't exhaust. We do not exhaust the stack. Delta time stuff, blah 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 blah. We init the GL and we supply the render data. And then we don't create a game state here, but we just supply the game state input and don't know. We just supply the game state. Enable later, yeah, I did. And then we don't, when we load the game, we don't init the game again anymore. We don't init. We just update the game later. And in update game, we supply the game state, the input, and render data. And of course the delta time. And then in update game, we check if input Or we just set input all the time. Why not? Huh? Who cares? Do I have a game state pointer as well? Yeah. You know what? I'm just gonna check all of those. If game state is unequal to game state in, or input is unequal to input in, or render data is unequal to render data in, then we just set those. Game state is fuck off, man. Game state is game state in. Like I said, there's no need to just like that. And then input is input in, and render data is render data in. I don't know, like, is it really worth it to make sure we use the correct memory? Is it really worth it to do this? Just to get...
Attention. Building completed.
Is it really worth it to do this just to get the hot code reloading? I think it makes the program more complicated. Am I the only one that thinks that? What do you guys think?
Attention. Building completed.
What is that? Oh yeah, game state is no longer, we just apply it like that.
Building completed.
And then persistent buffer plus buffer, I guess. Persistent buffer plus persistent bytes.
Building completed.
Don't know. Okay, so add transform is literally render data. And render data. And it assumes that there is a global render data, so I should put that in here. This assumes a global variable render data pointer render data to exist. Which is kind of cringe, but it works. Can't miss what I haven't tried.
Building completed.
Can't miss what I haven't tried. Bro, I didn't miss it before either, and I don't know if it's worth it yet.
Completed.
Source game CPP. Oh wait, I need to change the build.batch file to add in an FC here.
Attention.
So I get the correct.
Building completed.
I get the correct errors, so I can jump to them. So the init game takes in render. No, it does not take in render data anymore. It doesn't take in input. It just takes in game state in. And sets the game state, and then initializes that to 0.
Attention.
And then input
Building
in
completed.
doesn't exist here.
Attention. Building completed.
And we need to add those in here as well. Input pointer, input in, and render data pointer, render data in. Man, I'm smashing the code today, right?
Attention. Building completed.
There's one last init game. Boom.
Attention.
It looks
Building
like
completed.
if I did everything correctly and did the rework correctly, we don't. Nice. Init game GameState. Access reading location. I suppose init game didn't exist? Load symbols for additional information. Game load DLL. What?
Attention. Building completed.
Oh no.
Attention. Building completed.
What? Did it not get the proc addresses? The game DLL? Seems to be working. Load symbols for additional information. Was I too fast? Init game is literally just taking in GameState. And that's the same thing here. So what is the problem? Maybe I need to delete the game DLL. What is that? 1317? That's just now, and the game load 1317 is also from just now. So what could be the problem? What you break? It looks like the init game doesn't exist anymore. I don't know how I broke it. Maybe I need to put in the extern C again. Think maybe that's the issue.
Attention. Building completed.
No, it literally does not want to call init game. It doesn't like init game. Maybe it's because I didn't change my defines. Init game just takes in a game state pointer. I don't understand. Input render data. Input render data. I don't understand. I don't understand what this could be. It's literally not giving me any error. I mean, I'm asserting, I guess. I'm not asserting, I guess. After I'm loading these. What does get proc address return? A bool? Win API, proc. I guess we'll just... What do I read? Like, do I assert init game like that? YouTube stream? Nice. Okay, Mr. Almeida. I can hear that. I love YouTube streams. Yeah, sure you do. Stop lying, bruh. Because of free TTS. Maybe also a set game DLS, just to be sure. Game DLL. Hi, I also prefer YouTube.
Building completed.
Really? You prefer YouTube? Very interesting. Yeah, it doesn't cause any assertions. It literally says access violation reading location. Now, I don't know what that means. Whether it is the game state, but the game state looks fine. Or whether that is the game load DLL address. Like, it literally doesn't say that it didn't load them. And so I'm a little confused. Load symbols for additional information. Maybe it's the FC. Doubt it though.
Attention.
I rarely switch screens, and if I watch, I prefer platform. I digest the content. So you're literally more on YouTube than you are on Twitch. That's why, right? It was working before this change, right? Yeah, it was literally working yesterday. Yeah. Literally was. That is true.
Attention. Building completed.
I don't know what I did differently, what I'm doing differently now. Yes, I did change a couple of things, like the game DLL changed and that DLL changed, but otherwise, I literally just added in a persistent buffer size. Is it the game state memory that's being invalid? I don't think it is. But we could try. We could try, yeah. What we can try is we just pass in 0. And then see what happens.
Attention. Building completed.
No, it is the init game call. It doesn't even go into init game. I mean, I added in the extern C, but it doesn't do anything, so let's remove that.
Attention. Building completed.
Now we can see the actual differences. I literally call init game with GameState here. I added in this check. I don't see how void GameState in, input in, render data in. I don't see how this little thing Maybe it is this render interface setup file. I need to put that below the game state. I don't see how this does anything though.
Attention. Building completed.
But maybe. Nope. And so yeah, literally the game doesn't change. And then over here, I just replaced the don't know with render data. And I said, yeah, I removed don't know with render data. That's the only thing I did. I renamed that. That shouldn't have any effect. And then in platform.h, I just added in a new call to allocate persistent memory. Like a very simple call. We already had the render. Wait, the render interface, let me see. C++ file just assumes render data, which is fine. The rest didn't change. Yeah. Yeah, and I changed that to render data. Like nothing really. Maybe there's something different here. Can spot any difference? Anything that's off, maybe? I literally just moved those down here. And called it render data instead of don't know. Then in Win32 platform, I just added in a persistent buffer. And I changed those. Input pointer, render data pointer. I mean, it gets the function back. That's the thing. It does get the function back. Which is weird. I mean, it gets the function back, so it basically it doesn't say that anything is wrong. I don't want to waste that much time on this problem. Even if I fail to initialize or fail to allocate memory, or I accidentally use the wrong memory here, the function is still the issue. I load the library game load DLL. And I get the proc address of init game and update game. And both of them return. GL init works. It creates a window. And then I call init game and that fails. No, sorry, but I don't understand the issue. I literally don't. I don't see where the problem is. And judging by no one typing, I think you guys don't see a problem either. So I guess we are stuck. I literally don't know what the problem could be. This is my first time trying to do this, and I literally do the same thing that I did yesterday, and it doesn't seem to work. I could try just deleting the files and then writing them again. Maybe it's just using some old information. Simple TD does not need to be in here anymore. Let's just delete all of that. How about this? Let me just build all of that again. Maybe we needed to do a full incremental link, huh?
Attention. Building completed.
Okay. Now we have game DLL and game load DLL. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm literally stuck. It fucking sucks. I don't know. I'm literally pissed off at this point because yeah, I think it's already creating a lot of weirdness in the game. And so far we didn't need that. We can just dump a game state in and then start the game again. I don't think we need that so much. I don't see hot code reloading being viable in the future. I think we'll just undo the last commit entirely. Like, it doesn't seem to work properly. I haven't done hot reloading, code reloading. I'm afraid of exactly this problem. Anyway, to give me code and try. I can commit this, yeah. But I mean, yeah, I can commit this code. Let me try loading the game DLL instead of the game load DLL. Or do you just load the game DLL? Well, exactly that problem. He means probably the problem that you simply don't understand why your functions are not there.
Attention. Building completed. Attention. Building completed.
No, I don't know what it is. Like, I literally didn't get the error before. Now all of a sudden I get an error telling me that I cannot initialize my game. Load symbols for additional information. Like, I don't know what that means. Did you make a breakpoint right at the beginning of init game? It's literally a can't call init game. It's happening in the main. Happening in main. It gets an access violation reading location. Oh, it's actually 0. Look at that. Look, it says 0. But it gives me something here. I don't understand. I'm even asserting update in init game. I know it's not the problem that you did clear the new memory things, Ajib, GameState. Not connecting the DLLs correctly, yeah. And the thing you allocate, it's not that. I can literally pass 0 here. It doesn't matter because it's not, this is not the problem. I literally have this memory over here. This memory literally exists. I can access it. Look, I could say GameState entity count, I think, is 5. If it exists.
Attention.
Or is it enemy count?
Building completed. Attention. Building
so
completed.
literally, what is that called? Oh yeah, it's I see. Let's say total time.
Attention. Building completed. Attention. Building completed. Attention.
What is this?
Building
All of your
completed.
subscribers are devs or what? Good to see you, by the way. I don't know if they're all devs. I know that many of them are devs, yeah. See literally how I set the game state time to 5? Where's that? God damn it! Guess it didn't change the total time. Huh? Did it?
Attention. Building completed.
Eh? What? Eh? I'm confused. Yeah, but literally it's not the game state. I can change the game state. See how it is. I don't know why the total time is 0 here. Maybe it just breaks out and doesn't gives me like something else. But yeah, it literally wait, maybe this is a different game state. Wait. Am I including the game CPP here? No. Let's try a different name. Maybe it's because I named this weirdly. Call it GameState test. Call it GameState test.
Attention. Building completed. Attention. Building completed. Attention. Building completed.
Maybe that's the issue. No. It seems to just wipe the memory after it fails. I don't know what it does. I don't know how that happens. I'm literally asserting init game here, and it says that it's fine. But then it can't call init game. I don't know, man. I don't like this at all. Like, these errors are so weird and convoluted. I just don't know what to do at this point. I'm literally stuck because I don't get a single error. It just tells me that 0. Then I look at it. It's not 0. So what am I supposed to do here? What am I supposed to do? Stupid. Fucking stupid. Zip the source folder on Discord.
Building completed.
Before revert, I wanna know why. Sure, I can. But you need the rest as well. The source alone doesn't work. You also need the shaders and the textures. So I have to zip everything. You didn't change the rest, I pulled that? Okay. Yeah, if I don't get it done, then maybe if you want, you can take a look at it. I'm literally confused and pissed at the same time.
Attention. Building completed.
I think I'm wasting my time. This is about making a game and not like doing the most insane stuff with C++. That doesn't seem to work anyways. Yeah, I literally always get access violation reading location, even though I'm asserting this function. I don't know what inside init game does not exist, but it doesn't really, like, maybe it's something inside init game. I don't know. Doesn't seem like anything special to me. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm literally stuck. Yeah. Don't know. It gives me something back, but then it doesn't. I don't know what to do.
Attention. Building completed.
No. That has nothing to do with the naming of the variables. The naming of the variables can be whatever
Building
you want
completed.
them to be. Maybe something here. I don't see how that works, so I don't see how that is causing issues. Well, it's sad. It was working quite well, but now it doesn't anymore. Let me try something. Git dash pop. No, git stash. Just a quick stash, and then build the program again.
Attention. Building completed.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I did wrong. I literally have no fucking clue. Your local changes will be overwritten. Please commit your changes. Aborting. Stash is kept. Oh my god. This is so annoying. This is so fucking annoying. Changes. Undo. Undo. Okay, build that again. I have no idea.
Attention. Building completed.
I don't know why. I simply don't know why. What the fuck, bro? Maybe I'm not writing to GameDLL, but I am. I even deleted them. I don't think it's the config. I don't think it's this. Oh, I could maybe stage a little bit. Maybe I could just stage a little bit. But I don't know what would I stage. I mean, I did change this. Input pointer, render data pointer. Hey, Progress. Welcome, bro. How's it going? Hi. What does hot reloading mean? Well, it means that your game is running and you change a line of code in your game, for example. Let's say you say that now your hero moves twice as fast. You basically set your movement speed ×2. And it displays the changes while the game is running. You can literally... You can edit your code. Like, let's say you make it so that your hero, I don't know, your hero jumps every 2 seconds by default or something, like some interaction. You change that interaction and you can just literally keep the game running while you're doing that. Pretty good. Just came back from the gym. Hell yeah. I want to go to the gym too, man. But I'm still hurting here. I can't go. If I go, then I'll rip this open again. And it's not gonna be good. Sadly, I have to take a break from that. Like, it allows you to edit your game while it's running. Which can be very powerful. You don't have to always load your game up again. Though our game loads instantly, which is basically, we don't really need that, but it was a good learning experience. If you wanna change variables, I know many devs use config text files. Yeah, I mean, there's many ways to do that, but I think the biggest advantage is that you don't that you can change how the code behaves. Like, for example, you could say the enemies follow me in that particular way, or like this skill, when I activate that skill, this has a particular effect, and you can literally program the effect differently and then have the code running with a different effect, and you don't have to like close and open your game again and then load and see how that affects it. And then you could do like a loop. Every 5 seconds you reload the game automatically, and then you just program on the game, and boom, you have your skill. Yeah. Been doing weighted pull-ups today, and now my arms hurt. Oh, how many weighted pull-ups can you do? Very nice. I really like doing pull-ups too. It's like, yeah, I actually don't like it. I hate it. It's because it's my least favorite. It is my least favorite exercise because it's the most difficult one to do, in my opinion. Takes the most out of you. Oh man, but I get some issues. Like, yeah, my hot code reloading doesn't work, and I didn't change much. Yesterday it worked, and now it doesn't work anymore. And I don't know what to do. I'm stuck. I'm literally stuck. Maybe I could undo this change here. Keep this library loading code. Ignore Edge. Can you at least try clear the memory of the second allocations? As a piece of mind to me. I'm clearing the memory to 0. Five sets or 3 with 54 kilograms, like with one of those chains. How much is one chain? It's not 54 kilograms, right? It's less. I used to use these chains, and then I put them over here, and then I tried to do first one. I tried to do 6, and then after that I tried to do 5. I always try to go above 10 per day. I'm setting the buffer to 0, Aizen. See that? So it is already 0 initialized. It's literally just a copy paste from this code. I think they're called kettlebells in English. I see. Mm-hmm. And how do you hang them? Like, do you use like do you use a belt and hang them on the belt? Something? Nice. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll give that code to you, Ace, and maybe you could play around a bit. But I don't see where I'm going wrong here. I don't see the problem that I'm getting 2 proc addresses. And it's giving me those back. Like, you can see that it has a value here. It has a value in here. You see the address of init game, but it literally says unhandled exception at in VS Clone executable at that address. Access violation reading location. Oh wait, so we get that, but we are reading a location that is 0, I suppose. Interesting. So maybe it does go into init game, but we can't debug that. Maybe it actually goes into debug into. We have a GameState pointer. How do I know if it works? If I don't do anything.
Attention. Building completed.
I know if it works if I don't do anything.
Attention. Building completed.
It does work. So literally init game does work, but it looks like this game state pointer that's being passed is not the correct pointer or something. Not using that. Whereas the init game function looks like the address of the function is wrong. No, the address of the function actually seems to be correct. This one. But it seems like the internal function init game, which I guess I can't debug, right? This one right here, I can't seem to be able to debug. Or I am unable to debug. I think it's literally the first line in here that's fucked up.
Attention. Building completed.
Which other pointers are used in GameState? Nothing really. Just using the GameState. Do you set any of the variables in the struct e.g. is different than mem set 0? Yes. Yes, it is. There are some differences. Why? You think it's causing... This is causing the problem? You think it's this
Attention.
one right here? That's the issue?
Completed.
My game state, game data, literally has some default values. I don't even know why I have... Oh wait, that's not... The game state does have some default values. The input is used too, maybe it's null? Am I stupid? Oh! Thank you! Oh, I didn't even see that. The input is used. Oh, I see. Still on hot reloading? Yep. We're making it better today, but I actually ran into a couple of problems. I suppose we just put in the input. Star input. Whatever, I'm just gonna... I guess I'll put in the render data too. Yeah, on the belt. I have one short doing 50 killings if you want to see. You have a short? Yeah, sure, why not? How do you make those shorts? Do you have someone doing them for you?
Attention.
Function does not take one argument. Yeah. We changed that. Yeah, I actually wanted to do something else today. Pork Leo. Yeah, Leo, good idea. Good seeing that. I actually wanted to do something else today. I didn't get to it, I guess. There we go. And now init game.
Building completed.
And then I guess we do load DLL, right? Load, game load. Blah 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 blah. We call init game. Use GameState, input and render data.
Attention.
Init game function does not take one argument. Game CPP. Oh yeah, and then build. We put in the FC again.
Attention. Building completed.
Economy, no editing.
Attention.
Okay,
Building
let's see
completed.
if it works. I think it does work. Not 100%. I think because we need to create the window first. And then init the game later.
Attention. Building completed.
Because then we get, yeah, then we have that. By the way, what is this? Oh yeah, that's what I meant before, right? Look, what I can do here, there's a rectangle, right? I can simply go into my game. And draw a rectangle. Or not draw the rectangle.
Attention. Building completed.
Oh yeah, I deleted the hotcode reloading code. Actually, I have to put that in again. While we are running, we also want to hot reload the code, right?
Attention. Building completed.
Now that doesn't work with this, of course.
Attention. Building completed. Attention. Building completed.
Okay, so you see how this this box right here.
Attention. Building completed.
What is this? Why did they come from the bottom? Huh? Ah!
Attention. Building completed.
Why do they all come from the bottom now? Likely, like the bottom spawner more. I don't. You broke the whole game? Man, I don't know if this is worth it, man. I don't know. Like, look how many problems I get with this shit. I don't know if it's actually worth it to get... Like, you have to pass in all of these fucking pointers. You have to do some pointer bullshit all the time. I just don't know. And then screen edge to world size, length. Like, yeah, I don't know. Nah. I don't know if that's worth it. Like, look at this shit. Like, they all spawn at the bottom. I don't know why they are coming from there. I literally don't know what I did again. Like, what the fuck, man? This is just so fucking stupid. I don't know. I'm not convinced. I'm certain. No, I'm not convinced. I have no proper separation between platform code and game code, and I have this stupid ass having to reload these DLLs, and that shit doesn't work. I guess I'll copy game DLL to game DLL. That's also not very good. Probably copy game DLL to game load DLL, I guess.
Attention. Building completed.
Can we load library? Sad, yeah. I mean, it's making me sad because it's totally unnecessary, all of that, I think. I don't think it's worth it to make the game so complicated. Or at least the structure of the game, right? there's so many pointers pointing somewhere, and yeah, like I literally did not change the spawning code. I literally did not do that. Didn't touch it all. The easier the code structure is, the better. Yeah, I don't think this is worth it. I think I'll undo all of it. Like, it's a nice exercise, but is it really needed? Like, this is the second day that we have wasted on this, and we could have had item dropping, we could have experience bars, we could have already had pickups, leveling. We could have done all of that in like 1 or 2 hours, very easily. So I don't think it's worth it. I don't know. Like, this is such a weird way to program. Why is the spawn system broken all of a sudden? I'm literally confused. Penthouse automating something that can be done in 1 hour. It's not automating something. I mean, it is a feature that is not bad to have. But here's Rain Man. There is no chat command here, isn't it? No chat. Does the spawn system also depend on the screen size? Yeah. It depends on the screen size. It depends actually where the player is. Depends on the player position. But we are generating that from the... And I don't think I can even debug this. Yeah, I can't. Now all of a sudden it works again. Like, what the fuck? I literally did not change anything.
Attention. Building completed.
What? I literally didn't change anything.
Building completed.
Okay, let's try changing something.
Attention. Building completed.
I mean, it did work.
Attention.
See how the
building completed.
See how the white circle appears? Magic. And see how I can say, okay, well, dot. I think it's dot color, right? Is color black. Oops.
Attention. Building completed. Attention.
See how it's
building
black
completed.
now? And I can say, oh, well, I want to have it red. And then it turns red. So
building completed.
It's not bad, but I don't know how to get debug symbols working, and TCAP isn't here, so I'm literally completely lost at what to do. How to get debug symbols working. Maybe it was minimized when you hot reloaded. Magic. What? Lol, yeah, I don't know what happened. I literally have no idea. Yeah, so I don't know how to get debug information in. TCAP isn't here, so I don't know who to ask. So I guess we'll just try to implement something new today. Really quickly. And I think I want to do something that I haven't done in a long time. Which is I'm gonna draw a nice crystal. But before we do that, we choose a color palette. Have you guys ever chosen color palettes for games? For like 2D games? Do you have any experience choosing color palettes? Which one is a good one? I have literally no idea. Should I just pick the best or something? Nope. Suggested tags? I love EDG from End Saga. Any with a nice review pick. Okay, let's search for EDG. End Saga. Maybe it's not here in this on this web page. NDSGA. NDSGA 64. Doesn't have a preview pic. Doesn't have a preview picture. Holy shit, that has quite a few downloads and likes. What is that? Downloads? Examples. Oh, there we go. I'm not really convinced. Not really. Let's click on low spec again. Browse palettes. Isn't there like a filter to search for? Filtering options. Number of colors, sorting. Downloads. Sort by downloads. How many downloads? This is the one that's been used the most, it seems like. 900. Oh, this one. Look at this one. That's Resurrect 64. Oh, this has also been used a lot. I mean, maybe we can use it. I like the green colors. Okay, let's use it. Let's try End Saga 64. Damn, that looks cool. Holy shit. Low spec. Do I want this? Doesn't have that many colors. 700 likes. Let's use this one. You don't think CRM palette nonetheless? PNG image, open an app. Photoshop file, open an app. Downloads, how to import palettes. Do I open the... I think I can just download the image, PNG image. Copy that image and then paste that in Sprite. Or maybe create a new file. Paste that in here. Maybe just drag the image. Sprite. I can't grab the image. Literally too small. And then we do palette from sprite. Create new palette count limit. Okay. Is that it? What are you saying, End Saga? Control plus mouse wheel in. I don't know. I don't really like these colors. I'm being completely honest. Let's try sorting them. Sort by hue. I guess I want to have my custom sort. I want to have it set up the same way as, I don't know what his name is again, Adam C. Eunice. Don't even know how to exactly sort them. This one is very bright green, so it probably should be here. This one, I think it's between those two. God, I'm literally stuck sorting this. Why is this not sorted? Oh, I can sort this. So we take that color first. And this color over here. Let's just grab that color, that one. Put it here. Next color is this one. Next color is that red. And this red. Then we have a brown. Oops. We have orange. Another orange. Yellow. Brown. The brown. Why is there so many tones for this color? Can someone explain that to me? Why do I have so many tones for this color? I don't really use that color. Oftentimes I use green the most. Shit. I wish I would just sort them as it finds the colors. I don't have to do this by hand. Sorting an A-sprite is not really satisfying. If by hue it should be similar to the picture. Yeah, in my opinion too. I don't know. I don't like it either. Very annoying. And I can't make up these colors myself. I am not smart enough to sort these colors myself. Okay, so what we're gonna do before I'm done, I will create a crystal that spawns on the ground whenever an enemy dies. Okay. And it will not have any function yet, but it will spawn already. And then I have to go off. My girlfriend is kind of sick, so I'm gonna make her a soup today. And I then need to work on YouTube. Which funnily I am on YouTube, but I wanna work on a new video explaining how you can do line box intersection very easily. Because the tutorials that I have found out there weren't very easy to follow, especially not the implementation part. That was very difficult to do. I want to make a video on that. Is this your full-time job? I'm trying to become a game developer. I would say yes, this is my full-time job. Yeah. But I'm not earning enough money to how you call that, to support myself yet. I'm getting towards that point, but not yet. I earn like between 100 200 euros a month currently. And I earn all of that money through Twitch, streaming on Twitch. Currently. And as part of that journey, I'm trying to stream on YouTube. To get an idea of if YouTube is gonna be an option in the future or not. One lone coder have amazing collision tutorials. Really? They don't really work out, all of them. Have you published any game yet? No, I'm working on my first game. My first game is a tower defense game. This one right here. Currently working on this game. Where you can place units on the road and then enemies follow that path. Like a simple, like, you know, you probably know what a tower defense game is, right? Yeah, and I'm currently working on improving the gameplay options, if that makes sense. Like, for example, I have worked on collision and pushing back enemies. And I want to work on vision obscurance. Like, for example, this guy right here is a ranger. And he can shoot arrows, but he should not be able to shoot arrows past this tree because of line of sight. Show him the spells. Oh yeah, I also have spells. Like, for example, I could shoot an ice spell in this direction. Yeah, I mean, that's a feature that's quite new still. I have a bunch of different spells that I can learn and activate. But I'm still working on balancing those. Still working on making them. Yeah, I guess the spells are the number one thing that are quite nice. There's more to the game. There's also like a tactics menu stuff. like the same way like a Dragon Age Origins. But yeah, I need about 1 more year to get it to the point where it's actually really, really good, I think. About that much time to get it to a stage in which I could say, okay, that's a very good game, or it has mostly all the features that I want to have in the game. Because currently they don't have items yet. I cannot farm items by farming maps. Release in 1 year confirmed, Porg. We'll see. Like, I definitely want to add in like roadblocks and all of that stuff, blocking these enemies. Okay, that's currently what I'm working on. And as for fun, or in order to learn, or in order to get some idea what it means to be on YouTube, I decided to make a Vampire Survivors clone and show the entire process of making the game on YouTube. Stream the process. And I want to set myself a limit of stopping after 1 month. And currently, I think we are on day 8. And we have just finished hot code reloading, which allows me to just reload my code. But I can't debug the game yet. I have to ask TCAP how to do that. Yeah. Oh yeah, I was about to draw. Right, I was about to draw. So we save that pellet. Yeah, that should be the pellet, yeah. We save this pellet. Save pellet. Let's go to Sprite, color palettes, and call it the VS color palette. Okay, now we can create a new file, and I guess we should use the default load palette. Over here. Okay. Oh wait, I have an idea. We just use this texture atlas and use the default palette here. Okay, we can then also recolor those, I guess. Maybe they should be. Let me see, what type of options do we have? I don't think that's bright enough. What do you think? Doesn't look very good in my opinion. How about that? That's too bright.
Cap.
Maybe that's good enough. Okay, now let's work on this dude over here. He has a nicely looking cap. IT cap. Welcome. I don't know, this doesn't really fit too much. Like, that doesn't look too bad. Bruh. Okay, what about this muscle man here? What about we choose a color like that for his body? And then a highlight color like that for his muscles. And a nicely outlined color like that. Maybe make him... Bruh. And then what about the red trousers? Should we give him brown trousers? Boom. 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 Hey, that looks cool. Hey, guys. I think that looks good. Right? We just have to fill in this last color. Guess it should be that color over here. It's working, Pork, right? It's not bad. It's actually quite nice. Works very well. How are you replacing all the pixels? It is this tool right here, Paint Bucket tool, G. And then you can say continuous or not. And then it's replacing all the pixels in the selected area. Some purple veins, maybe, Kappa? Yeah, we can rework this later. We can rework this. And look, the cool thing is, watch. Just watch. We have hot texture reloading, right? Look. It changed. See how I just had to export the texture? We didn't have to do anything? Huh? Looking good. Got something working, yeah. I mean, we got that working like day 2 or something. It wasn't very difficult. Okay, now this is supposed to be a lightning strike, but I kind of failed delivering on that. That's the last part we have to change. Kind of failed delivering this properly. I don't know. We'll just do that later. Okay, what color should the crystal have? I think it should be blue. And how big should it be? I guess it's going to be 16 by 16. We can put it here. Oops. Why are you not using the preview? It's a nice tool. Do you mean this one here? I am. Oh. Yeah, I am actually using the preview. It is just behind me. Over here. Okay, how does a crystal have shading? I don't think I'm doing it right. I think I need to get some help from YouTube or Google. I mean, doesn't look too bad right now, but yeah. That's not a crystal anymore, right? I think I need some inspiration. Crystal pixel art. Interesting. Interesting. So, I guess it is one bright side and one dark side. Probably not as crazy as I'm drawing it right now, but something like that. Depends on the shape of the crystal. XP cylinder pork. Oh boy. Wait, I'm pretty sure I have this pixel art tutorial thing here. There's a crystal one. I know that there's a crystal one. There we go. Terraria pylon. Okay, guys. Stop making fun of it, okay? Stop. Why am I too stupid to make a fucking crystal? Huh? What do you think? Huh? Is chat not refreshing? I can't see my messages. Yeah, that's because YouTube is bullshit and you have to click from top chat to live chat. Top chat only shows the top messages because it's fucking cringe. YouTube is cringe. Okay, you have to choose live chat. And then you get this awesome welcome to live chat. I already am in live chat, dumb bitch. So dumb.
Shijiman detected. Google Terraria pylon.
Should I Google Terraria pylon? Really? Okay. Looking very good. Oh yeah. Pixel art. Nice. Looking good. Told you? Told you. Told you. I still think my pylon is looking... My crystal is looking better, bruh. I still think this is looking better. You just need to fine-tune this a bit. But your blue pylon? It's fine. It's okay. God, is that looking good. Damn. Look at that, eh? Look at that. Boys. Look at that. Isn't that delicious? Look at that. Attenuating the effects. Look at that. Eh? Look at them effects, bruh. Look at that. What is that? Huh? Doesn't work out. Look at that, bruh. I like it. I really like it. This is going to be the crystal. Look at that. Needs an outline ammo? Needs an outline ammo. Doesn't need anything, bruh. Because it changes, like the enemies are completely different color. You know exactly what that is, bruh. Ship it. Game still runs. Now I wonder what happens. Can I just add in another sprite ID?
It's fine, he said emo.
Sprite crystal? Can I just add that in and the game still while the game is still running? Only one way to find out, guys. Only one way to find out. Depends. Well, we'll find out, eh? 16 and 0. And then we set the s.size to 16 by 16. And s.subsize to also 16 by 16. And of course we can't forget to break.
Attention. Building completed.
Still seems to be working. Now let's go into the game. I don't think I can change the game though. If GameState changes in size, it will break. Okay. Well, then I guess we can't. Because we need to allocate a new game state. Then. But I could potentially. It's fine. Okay, let's go into the game data. Change the. We have an array of, I guess, I don't know. Struct exp. XP pickup something, or maybe it's just a pickup and then we have pickup types. Then we can have later we can have a pickup type box, right? Basically, change mode equals good, changing structs equals bad. I need to change structs though. And then a pickup has a pickup type. And do I use a sprite ID? Or do I make it based on the type? Draw and update pickup types. I suppose a pickup type also has a vec2 collider. Or a collider. Is it a circle? Circle collider. And I think that's it for now. I think I just need a type and a collider, and then we have a flat amount of XP based on the type. That would be XP. Or maybe, like, how do the XP crystals work in in Vampire Survivors, do they give a flat amount of XP for the normal blue crystals, and then you get the slightly greenish crystals? Oh yeah, it will have velocity, etc., because it will be flying towards you. Exactly, that's true. They will fly towards me. True. And we have an array of pickups. Max pickups. That's going to be a lot. Let's use 100.
Attention.
Yeah,
Building completed.
the game just broke. Let's let's build that again.
Attention.
Make it so
Building
that it
completed.
works. I don't know about blue and green, but reds are different. Bosses drop them, but they also are created when too many gems are already on the ground, combining them into one. Oh, really? I didn't even know about that. Okay, cool. Should pickers have a collider, or should the player have a pickup collider where the pickers have a vec 2? But pickups have a vec 2. Hey, that's a cool idea. Actually, let's do it like that. They have a velocity, and then the player has a pickup collider. That's a cool idea. It's basically just a pickup radius on the player. Cool idea.
Attention. Building completed.
Nice! Good, 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 good. And I guess the pickup radius by default is 200. Oh wait, that's a bit much.
Building completed.
50.
Attention. Building completed.
Let me see if enemies, enemy collision detection. If he's skip yourself, dodge. Where is he? Dodge. That's in damaging areas. Over here. GameState. Pickups. Could add pickup. We need to create a pickup. And that pickup dot type is pickup type XP. And that's it. Then we add that in. Drop XP gem.
Attention.
And then
Building completed.
in a game when we, I guess we update the game. I guess after we update the player. Move the player, draw, update player movement start, update player movement end. Player skills end, update player end. I guess we'll do that part, this stuff right here. Yoink. Boom. Boom. And then update pickups. I don't know why you make so many of these, like, kind of triggering me because... too many lines. Bruh. Too far to the right, Vocoder spazzes out. Then puts my buffer in a weird... There we go. Okay, so for pickup int pickup edx is 0. Pickup edx.
Cucked by editor once
Less than
again.
game.
Weird Jude.
Pickups dot count pickup edx plus plus. The pickups themselves should have a collider too. No, why? They just need to be in range of your pickup radius, right? So how do you like the arrays now that you have used them? I think they're good. I think I will actually add them to my engine as well. To my game.
Oh, so Cap is always right and you should listen to him, you say?
Shut the fuck
Noted.
up. No. Oh, a pickup has to have a position, by the way. Lol. A pickup does have to have a position. Pickup position is enemy position, and then if the pickup position is inside a circle, which is get collider from the player. I guess we'll get the player collider outside. Vec2 player, or is it's a circle. Player collider is get pickup collider from the player. We'll implement that function in a second. Then we call if it's inside the player pickup collider. Right. Oops. Then we want to, I guess we want to delete. For now we just delete the thing and we don't increase the XP because I don't literally player pickup. Again, I promised my girlfriend that I would make her soup, and I'm already way more than an hour. It's okay, as in Cakez only listen to TCAP Kappa. Like I said, oops, I'm behind, clicking live. Pick up position, yeah. Only if I TTS it. You know what the fucking problem is, guys? You know what the problem on YouTube is? You have, first of all, you have to stream yourself on YouTube to realize that, but it is the fucking chat that it's always, all of it is the same color. Okay, you are all the same color. And it literally is not in your face like Twitch chat is. Look how wild that is. Look how colorful that is. And then compare that with this. Like compare
Implying
the two.
this only happens on YouTube.
Okay, bro.
Copium alert.
Okay. Okay, what is it called again? It's called again remove and swap. Otherwise, we do draw. We get a sprite ID, which sprite ID, which is sprite white, and then we say we switch on the. God damn it! We still need to. No, we still need to. Get the effect. We still need to draw it first, though. God damn it! Guys, I'm getting under stress because I gave a fucking promise. I gave a promise. And if I give a promise, I have to... I don't know how you say that in English, but I have to hold it. Okay, that's what you say in Germany, okay? You have to hold it. I'm not holding a promise, like literally holding a shield, but yeah, I have to hold it, okay? So
Hello, your copium shipment has arrived.
Attention.
Okay.
Building completed.
Okay, I think I'm almost
Cakez
done.
is the best streamer and programmer on the platform.
Fucking bitch. Fuck off, bitch. What did you say? Get pickup collider. Fucking bitch.
Attention. Building completed. Attention.
Left of
Building completed. Attention. Building completed.
remove and swap. I thought I had it. Remove and swap. Eh? Pick up index? Remove and swap. Hä?
Cakez.
You're wrong. Attention. Building completed.
Hä? Not a free function? What? Hä? I call it multiple times. Did I misspell it? It's a method, bro?
Funk.
Sure. It's the
Attention. Building completed.
It is that thing again. That object-oriented programming thing, right? That's what it is.
Attention. Building completed.
That object-oriented programming thing,
How do
right?
these computers work? I can't handle technology. This wouldn't have happened with good old C or A's.
Exactly. Good morning, Cakez and shit. Hey, Pikachu, my man, good morning. We are getting XP crystals now, hopefully. Kill one. Hey, why don't I get XP crystals? Was it not drawing them? Huh? Oh. What? How am I not killing any? Oh. Not like this. I literally should have millions of those right now. Pickups. Look, I have 451. Yeah, I literally have millions. What is the issue? They all had certain
add array
positions.
element equals not object oriented. Array.add element equals object oriented. Noted.
Why are these positions so fucked up? How are these positions so fucked up? Hey, look at the progress. Guys, I literally don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't have the time for this right now. I don't know why is it not drawing them. Wait, it's drawing them. It actually is drawing them. They're just literally small. And in the wrong location. There. And there. And there. They're literally in the wrong location.
Let me get my reading glasses.
Ah. I don't know, guys. I can't. I don't know. We'll do it tomorrow. No, it sets the pickup type here. Soup time? Yeah. It's soup time. I have no idea what is wrong. Maybe the crystal just doesn't show up
Attention.
yet.
Building
But I
completed.
exported it already. Exported that already. Yeah, it doesn't have anything to do with that. Soup. Fix the switch already? What do you mean? When do you set them? Fix the switch already. This one? Loop up? Read back? It's a class function, it's not a free function. When do you set them? Tiny wheezy size. Fix the switch already, huh? The other? I said it first though. Packed, there should be the TTS, no case and switch.
Attention. Building completed. Attention. Building completed.
Oh, look at that. But they are not. Are they being picked up by the player? Wait, maybe the pickup radius is too high. Oh, buggies. Put the pickup radius down. 50. Put it to 20. 30. 20.
Attention. Building completed.
Yay!
Wow.
Wow. Oh, wow. Do I have to load this again?
Attention. Building completed.
But the position is definitely off. Like, it's not spawning crystals here. Look, they are spawned over here. Why? Why are they being spawned over here? Like way too far away from the player. Don't understand.
Skill issue.
Shh. Guys, it's 2 hours. I'm done. Because you spawn position after remove and swap. Yeah, that's true. Thank you very much.
Attention. Building completed.
Oh, so how many? So many. I can't even pick them up. Wait a second. Now I need to increase the pickup radius again.
Building completed.
Yes! Okay, that's it. That's going to be it for today. We have a new color scheme. I really like it. Boom, 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 boom. And we have spawning crystals. Plop, 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 plop. And tomorrow we make it so we get XP. I think 50 is still not enough. 40. Let's do 60 by default. Maybe 100?
Attention.
Maybe we should have 100? Let's see. That looks good. That does look good. Yeah. That looks good. Bling 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 bling. Oh yeah. Okay, quickly remove the unnecessary bullshit from screen.
Nice.
Nice, yeah. Put that away, put that away. Let's make a screenshot for a thumbnail. For YouTube. Put them thumbnails. Make a thumbnail. I think that looks good. I guess there's no... What about that one? I want to have a thumbnail. I think that's better. Yeah. Well, what about that, huh? Not even maximized window, giga chat. Really nice. That looks good, right? That can be a good, nice thumbnail. For the, yeah, that's good. That's looking good. Looking juicy. We'll save that one. Call it, pickups. Soup time, yeah. Okay, so get these crystals over here. Ein guter Daumennagel. Okay, so we clean up a bit of the code. It's not perfect yet, but we are getting closer. We have better names for this stuff. We have a new crystal. Oh, you don't see my face. Hello. We have a new crystal. We have some new code. We still can't level up. We can die, but we can't level up. So tomorrow we'll probably do leveling up. Maybe one more skill. If you have any suggestions for a skill, I could even make a... What about this? I've never used that, but maybe that's helpful. I think that's a cool thing to do. How about we do the following? Crystal velocity. We can go here. And then we go, I think, community. We can do a text poll. What should we do tomorrow for the vampire survivors?
I'm not voting.
Survivors. For vampire survivors. For the vampire survivors clone. And I guess we add in a couple of options. Tomorrow we fix all warnings. Add that. Nah. New skill. Plus leveling. Pick up velocity. It could take a long time, plus maybe a new skill.
Fixing bugs.
More cleanup.
Keep adding more buggy shit.
How about that? Post. Okay, why can I not click? Why can I not vote? Anyways, if you wanna vote, rebuild in C#, get the fuck out of here, bitch. Get the fuck away! Stop! If you want to influence what we do next, I guess over here is the link. I'll put it in here too. Vote. Oops. Vote. Oops. Vote.
See hashtag.
Anyways.
Count the votes.
Team. Oh yeah, I didn't push yet. Oops. Git commit -m. Count the votes? What do you mean? Edit. Cleaned up. The hot code reloading a bit. And edit in XP crystals. Good push. Can I even push when this is... Oh, this is the other game.
www4.
I don't want to revolt any of these dance game.
I don't want to vote any of these dance games. They all suck. Everyone's not doing what I'm doing.
That's it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the stream. I'll be online tomorrow, same time, same place. And I hope you have a great day. Enjoy yourselves. TCAP, have a nice stream.
Best streamer.
Nice. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.